All right, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, all. Welcome back to Brainy Bytes tutorial. All right, so if this is your first time of coming across to our YouTube channel, we are Brainy Bytes tutorial. Okay, so what we do in this channel is that we talk about things that concerns JAMB, university admission, and schools and universities updates, WAEC and NECO as well, right? So those are the things we do in this channel, or those are the things we talk about in this channel. So if you're a JAMB candidate, WAEC candidate, NECO candidate, I want to advise you, I also want to encourage you to subscribe to our YouTube channel, turn on all bell notifications so that whenever we drop any amazing content, just like the one you are watching right now, YouTube will notify you and you'll be the first to check it out. All right, so today let's get right to the topic. Right, so the topic of today is universities and courses that are set pass D7, E8 in English language respectively. All right, so I told you guys that whatever I promised all my subscribers, that whatever questions I receive from my candidate, I'll definitely have to come and answer it here. All right, so before I get right to the video, before I continue to this video, I want to tell you one thing. All right, so we have a WhatsApp community. It is basically for our 2024 registered UTME candidates. All right, so however you yourself, you can become a member. The only way you can become a member is to let me know in the comment section that you want to join us. All right, I'll be right there to give you my WhatsApp number. After getting to know you on WhatsApp, I will definitely have to add you on our WhatsApp community because we have rules and regulations. All right, so yeah, so that is basically how it is. So let me know in the comment section that you want to join us. I'll have to give you my WhatsApp number. Getting to know you, I'll definitely have to add you. All right, because then in our WhatsApp community, you will have access to WAEC answers free of charge, NECO answers free of charge, your school updated past questions free of charge. All right, and and yeah, and a whole lot of other things. You can still meet with your fellow aspirants there in the school, in the community. All right, you meet your fellow aspirants there, we also learn there also. All right, so that's basically what we'll do for you. If that interests you, you give this video a thumbs up, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can share it to your friends out there. All right, so let's go back to the video. So I know that some persons they have messaged me, they have been asking me, calling me on phone, asking me, sir, I have D7 in English, I have E8 in English, can I use it to gain admission in university? So they will be like, are there courses a candidate can study in the university with the past D7 and the O-level English language, right? So the answer to that question is yes. And when you are doing your yes, you are doing your yes with a capital yes. All right, so you are doing yourself with a capital yes. So here I am today to give you the good news of the courses to apply to secure admission into any to secure admission into the institutions I'm going to tell you. Right, so I'm going to be listing the institutions that can accept you with your D7 and your E8, because some person will be like, I don't have money to write WAEC again, I don't have money to write NECO again, so can I proceed with this? So here we are going to determine if you are to proceed or not. So I'm here for you guys today. So I'll be giving you the schools and the courses you are to study with your D7 and or E8 in your WAEC. All right, let's get right to the video. Okay, the first one on our list is the course called fisheries. All right, so this is our I want to tell you that this is our own opinion. All right, so from our own observation. So if you have any other institutions that you feel like that can accept candidates also with their D7 and their E8, also let us know in the comment section. All right, so that you have. Okay, so if you have another opinion, also let us know in the comment section, because we learn on daily basis. Okay, your opinion matters to us a lot. All right, so let us know in the comment section. All right, so the first one on our list is fisheries, the course called fisheries. Okay, the institution that can accept you with D7 and E8, you can get your biro and your pencil or anything you can use to write it down. All right, so the institution that can accept you with E8 or D7, which is pass in WAEC or NECO, is Delta State University, DELSU. So they are the institutions that can accept you with pass in English in your WAEC certificate. All right, So DESU is number 1 in fisheries, they will accept you. All right. So the number 2 there is agricultural economies. DESU will also accept you. DESU is Delta State University. That's the full meaning of DESU. They are Delta State University. All right. So they can accept you with D7 and E8 in your WAEC, right? So the next one is animal science and fisheries management, right? So the school that can accept you there is ESUTech, DESU, ROSUST, IMSU. Yeah, they can accept you. Okay. So the ESUTech meaning is Enugu State University of Science and Technology, right? So they can accept you animal science and fishery management. Why DESU and Delta, which is Delta State University, ROSUST, which is River State University of Science and Technology, will accept you with animal science. All right. So IMSU, which is Imo State University, will accept you with animal science and fisheries. All right. So that is basically how it is. So the next one on our list is crop science and biotechnology. Crop science and biotechnology. So the institution that will go with that is Imo State University. All right. So the next one on our list is soil and environmental management. All right. So soil and environmental management. So institution can collect you from that is also Imo State University. Yeah, that's the IMSU. They will take you. All right. So forestry and forest resources management. Forestry and forest resources management. ROSUST will go with that, which is the full meaning of the full meaning to ROSUST is River State University of Science and Technology. All right. So nutrition and dietetics. So nutrition and dietetics, the institution that will go for that is Imo State University, which is popularly known as IMSU. They will go with that. Yeah. I want to encourage you again, if you are getting any value from this video, please give this video a thumbs up, please. All right. Let me know in the comment section if there is anything you feel like you want me to do for you. Let me know in the comment section. All right. Give the video a thumbs up. All right. Subscribe if you have not subscribed. All right. So let's continue. So the next one on our list is education and chemistry. Education and chemistry. IMSU, which is Imo State University, will accept you. ROSUST, which is River State University of Science and Technology, will also accept you. CRUTECH, which is Cross River University of Science and Technology, will also accept you. Then DESU, which is Delta State University, and IAUED, which is Ignatius Ajuru University of Education, Port Harcourt, they will accept you. All right. So the next one on our list is education and physics. Education and physics. Thus we accept you with education and physics. Next one on our list is education and chemistry. Sorry, education and biology. Okay. Education and biology. DESU we accept you with education and biology also. So the next one is education and geography. Abuja, University of Abuja will accept you with education and geography. All right. So education and science. ROSUST will definitely accept you with education and science. All right. So the next one is ROSUST is River State University of Science and Technology, please. So agricultural science and education, ROSUST, which is River State University of Science and Technology, and DESU, which is Delta State University, will accept you. Right. Chemical engineering, ESUTech will accept you. Enugu State University of Science and Technology. Civil engineering, COOU will accept you. Chukwuemeka Audomogu Ojukwu University will accept you. Right. Mechanical engineering, ESUT, Enugu State University will accept you. right? Enugu State University will accept you. Surveying and Geoinformatics, UNIZIK, Nnamdi Azikiwe University will accept you. Architecture, Chukwuemeka Odumegwu Ojukwu will accept you. 2. Environmental and Management Technology, Chukwuemeka Odumegwu Ojukwu will accept you. 2. Geography and Mythology, Chukwuemeka Odumegwu Ojukwu, UNIZIK will accept you. Yeah. So environmental management, Kaduna State University will accept you. UNIZIK will accept you. Environmental Resources Management, ABSU, which is Abia State University, will accept you. Yeah. So the next on our list is Education and Economics. Education and Economics, of course, UNILORraine will accept you. University of Ilorin will accept you. Medical course, Physiology, UNILORraine will also accept you. University of Ilorin will accept you. Then Physics alone. Remember what we are mentioning is the schools that will accept you with pass mark in English, alright? D7 or E8. Alright, so Physics, Chukwuemeka Odumegwu Ojukwu will accept you. University of Calabar will accept you. Nnamdi Azikiwe University will accept you. Imo State University will accept you. Delta State University will accept you. Right? Industrial Physics, Nnamdi Azikiwe will accept you. ESUTECH, which is Enugu State University of Science and Technology, will accept you. Imo State University will accept you. Chemistry and Industrial Chemistry, Imo State University will accept you. University of Calabar will accept you. Industrial Chemistry, Madonna University will accept you. Geology, Enugu State University will accept you. ESU will accept you, yeah. Statistics, UNIZIK will accept you. Statistics, Obafemi Awolowo University will accept you, which is AAU. So AAU will accept you. Imo State University will accept you. Botany, Delta State will accept you. DESU, they will accept you. Zoology and Environmental Biology, Michael Okpa University of Agriculture, Umudike, will accept you. University of Maiduguri, UNIMED, will also accept you. Mathematics, Chukwuemeka Odumegwu Ojukwu University will accept you. Then University of Maiduguri will accept you. Imo State University will accept you. And Nnamdi Azikiwe University, UNIZIK, will accept you. Microbiology, Imo State University will accept you with microbiology. Chukwuemeka Odumegwu Ojukwu University will accept you with microbiology. University of Uyo will accept you with microbiology. Ebonyi State University will accept you with microbiology. Madonna University will accept you with computer science. Chukwuemeka Odumegwu Ojukwu will accept you. Then Imo State University will also accept you. Alright, so computer with statistics, Federal University of Technology, Minna, which is popularly known as FUTMINA, will accept you. Computer Science and Mathematics, Adamawa State University will accept you, which is the very last on our list, which is popularly known as ATSU. That's the last on our list, Adamawa State University. So those are the schools that will accept you with pass D7 and E8 and English language. So this will be ending this video today. Thank you all for being with me from the beginning of this video to the very last side of this video. I love you guys. All right, so until I see you again in my next video, don't forget I promise to be giving you guys updates here on daily basis, guys. So subscribe, turn on all bell notification, you'll be getting updates here on daily basis. So until I see you again in my next video, don't forget, if you have any other thing you want me to do for you on the comment section, let me know. Right, I'll be ready to answer you. Okay, I love you all. Keep winning.